Bonjour! As you may have discovered in one of my previous videos, my passion is to help people, to help you. And today, I would like to tell you about a very special natural remedy. This time, it doesn't include garlic, but it is still very special. Why? Because it has relieved pain for many people, including me, and I want to show you how it can help you too. In this video, I will address very common issues such as sprained ankles, muscle pain, knee pain, shoulder pain, leg pain, back pain, inflammation, pain from hitting against something, pain from getting squeezed, pain from this, pain from that, all kinds of pains. By the way, I want to clarify that this is not professional medical advice. If you are concerned about your health, you should consult your doctor. And I do want to make it clear that this video is not an advertisement. I am making this video to make you aware that this natural remedy exists, as I believe that it will benefit you or someone else that you know. This natural remedy is a cream, but I call it the miracle balm. The main ingredient is DMSO. But what is DMSO? It is a shortening for dimethyl sulfoxide. DMSO is a natural component that comes from wood. DMSO has anti-inflammatory properties, but not only. It also has absorption properties. And so, when applied to the skin, it carries the other ingredients deep into the skin. Years ago, I discovered DMSO as it was used in its liquid form on the skin, and I witnessed the benefits it brings. Pure liquid DMSO in itself is strong for the skin, so an oil like coconut oil or almond oil needs to be applied to the skin first, and also it is in a liquid form, so it is not very practical. And then I found it in the cream form, where it has been combined with healing herbs and magnesium. How wonderful and practical. It smells nice too. And I always carry a jar of it with me. Do you know why? Because I often meet people who suffer from pain, and I am then able to give them some to bring relief and healing. The cream, or balm, contains 21 ingredients, which are: number 1, DMSO, which reduces pain and inflammation. The benefits of DMSO are also mentioned by other YouTubers, such as Dr. Berg. Olive is the next ingredient in the list, and it brings pain relief. Magnesium oil relieves pain, reduces inflammation, and repairs muscles. Beeswax possesses anti-inflammatory properties. Frankincense decreases inflammation and pain. Myrrh has anti-inflammatory properties, combats pain and swelling, and accelerates healing. Aloe vera accelerates healing. St. John's wort is a herb with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Chili reduces pain and possesses anti-inflammatory properties. Devil's claw, ignore the odd name, is a herb that reduces inflammation and pain. Look, it sounds like poetry, isn't it? Let's continue. Pokeweed, also called pokeroot, possesses anti-inflammatory properties. Feverfew possesses anti-inflammatory properties and reduces pain. Dandelion has anti-inflammatory properties. Comfrey and burdock reduce inflammation. Camphor reduces pain, inflammation, and swelling. Oregano possesses anti-inflammatory properties. And now, the last ingredients in the list. Peppermint reduces muscle and joint pain. It reduces pain. Rosemary has anti-inflammatory properties. Eucalyptus possesses anti-inflammatory and pain-reducing properties. And lastly, rose oil reduces inflammation. So, as we have just seen, the ingredients in the DMSO cream are focused on reducing inflammation, relieving pain, and bringing healing from the inside out. And this makes it an excellent natural remedy for pain-related conditions that affect muscles, joints, and tendons. And I will tell you more about it in just a moment. And as I have said before, I am not a medical doctor. I am just passionate about helping people. I have a deep interest in natural remedies, and thus I am sharing my own experience as I believe that it will benefit you. The cream can be used for all varieties of pain, such as muscle and joint pain, leg pain, knee pain, back pain, inflammation, tendinitis, shoulder pain, carpal tunnel issues, ankle sprains, pain from arthritis and gout. And now I will show you how to use it. First, make sure that your hands are clean, as DMSO absorbs what it is mixed with and brings it deep into the skin. If you are not able to wash your hands, you can wear an arterial glove. Apply a little amount of the cream to the painful area, and you will feel the pain relief starting within 10 minutes. You will also notice that the swelling starts to reduce. Apply 3 times per day as necessary, until the pain has disappeared or mostly reduced. Usually, people only need to use it for a day or 2 or perhaps 3. Now, if you were to need to use it for an extended period, do not use it for more than 10 days in a row. But I have personally never seen such a need. If you would like to obtain the DMSO cream, I will put a link in the description section below the video. Please don't forget to put a like under the video and click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for your support. Please share it with others so that it can help other people. And I will see you at the next video. Au revoir for now, but not goodbye.